Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove the login element from your Wix site. Whether you're redesigning your website or simply no longer need a member login feature, removing this element is straightforward. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website. This will take you to the specific website settings where you can manage all aspects of your site. From here, you can see the website settings displayed on your screen. Make sure that this is the website you wish to remove your login element from. If you manage multiple sites, it's important to verify you're working on the correct one to avoid making changes to the wrong project. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon and is quite easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the editing interface. This button is your gateway to customizing the visual elements of your site. You will now be directed to the Wix Studio website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you have full control over your site's design elements. From here, start by locating your login element. It's usually located on the header part of your website, often in the top right corner where visitors would typically expect to find login options. Once located, simply click on it to select the element. You'll see a login bar element name appear above it. This confirms that you are interacting with the correct element and ensures you're not accidentally deleting something else. Once selected, right-click on it and an option window will appear. From here, select Delete. This action will immediately remove the login element from your site. And that's it. You've successfully removed the login element from your Wix site. Your website will now display without the member login feature, giving you a cleaner look or allowing you to replace it with something else entirely. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.